bro. What's happening? Welcome back once again to Chevy Kings TV, man. Your boy been absent for 2 weeks. I've been on the turnaround working 7-12, man. Hard working, man. You know I got to get it in for the family. But I'm here now. So on this episode, we're going to be discussing how to replace your body bushing. Let's go to the back of the truck. I'm going to show y'all what tools y'all need before we get too in depth on how to do this. Alright, boom. Right there on the back of the truck, I'm replacing this hood, so don't be on me talking about why you putting the parts all on the hood, this and that. Don't worry about that. Let's get into this. I'm going to show y'all what y'all need. First of all, you got to get your polyurethane body bushing. Best of the best, man. Look at that. Good quality parts. They're stronger than the rubber that come originally on the truck. So if you can, try to go with polyurethane. They're going to last a whole lot longer. A whole lot longer. So, all right, we know what we need. We know what body bushings we need. Boom. Get you a breaker bar. You're going to need this breaker bar, bro. Because it's been on there for a long time, and it's tight. It's tight. My snap-on impact wouldn't budge. So get you a breaker bar for some leverage, man. Once you get it kind of loose, then boom, you can use, if you don't have an impact, it's fine. Get you a ratchet, 1/2 inch, preferably 19 millimeter. Break it down, but you gonna need it would be good to have this breaker bar for the beginning process. You got this, that's perfect. Now after you get everything broke loose, then you go come up to the front and show you what it look like. After you get all 4 of them broke loose, you got 2 in the front. Come down with the camera so they can see. You got 2 in the front, 1 in the front on that side, 1 in the same spot on the other side, and come on to the back. You got 2 in the back, 1 on each side. Oh. Let me see the camera so I can give them a better view of what it look like. Let's see. So you can see. Go ahead, Apollo. All right, boom. You got 1 right here. You got 1 right there on the driver's side, and then you got the one that I started on in the front, and you got 1 on the other side. Make sure you loosen them all up. If you can look and see. Let me see. Put some light on for y'all. You can look and see the amount of slack I got. See the amount of slack I got? You want that amount of slack in each one. That's the first thing you want to do. You want to loosen all of them up the same, even this one. But I got pressure on this one because I got the front jacked up. But you want that amount of slack on all 4 before you change the first one out. And you want to do them 1 at a time. Not all 4, not 2 at a time, 1 at a time. Let's go, let's get from under here. Alright. Woo! Get it back to the camera later. Alright, like I said, you seen how much slack I had in each bolt? You want to loosen 4 of them up, all 4 of them up, before you start replacing each one. Okay, now once you get it, all 4 of them loosened up, I started off on the front passenger side. You want to have a jack. You can use a floor jack. You can even use a bottle jack. It don't matter, whichever one, whatever you have. If you got a little bottle jack, oh, you got a bottle jack, that'll work too. So you want to have a jack, and you cut you a piece of little timber, little piece of cribbing. You can find this same exact these little garden timbers from Home Depot, Lowe's. They all got them. They even cut wood in there. You can get it cut. This is probably 15 inches, 16 inches at the most. All right, babe, stoop down. I'll show them something. Stoop down a little lower.
Well, you want me to get on the ground?
You got to look. Let me see,
move, Paulo.
See the camera. I got the other family member. My dog, he licking all on me while I'm working. All right, you see that brace right here that's running along the body? That's where you want to put your board at. You don't want to put it here. You don't want to put it, nowhere. You want to put it right here on this hard frame. And you see how it's sitting on the jack, jack it up to where you got enough space, as you can see right here. Stop, Paulo. As you can see right here, so you can get the old body bushings out, so you can replace them. Glad I don't have my front cap on because y'all can really get a vivid look on how it looks. Once you jack it up, you got this piece that sit up in here like this, and then you got this other bottom piece. This go sit right here, and you gotta wash it. But where is it? It was hanging by. I knocked it out.
What? No, I put it over there so you won't knock it.
Oh.
Cause you kept getting hooked.
Well, I painted it, but anyway, come over here, buddy, so let me see. But this little bushing right here, this washer sits on the top of this, and it goes up to the bottom. But I painted it, cleaned it, and painted it so it's still drying. But it sits on here and it goes to the bottom. Let's go over here so I can show you. So it sits just like this. You follow what I'm saying? See that? Polyurethane, this is the new bushing, but polyurethane bush, you jack it up. That's how it is on the truck before you even start working. Once you loose all 4 of them up, come to the first one you're gonna start off with. Once you get it all the way loose, the bolt will come from the bottom. Boom. Jack the truck up. This part gonna come from under the top. This gonna come from under the bottom. You got a washer that go right here. New bolt in the bottom. And let me show y'all why you need to change it. This one came off the truck. Well, there we go. Look at that. Old, nasty, brittle stuff.
Yeah, that is not good.
Look at that. That's terrible. Who won't ride on that?
How could you ride on it?
This was at the top. This was at the bottom. So that's what my truck was sitting on before I replaced it.
Yeah, change that.
That's how it was. Instead of the new polyurethane bush, it was sitting up in here. And instead of the bottom, it was sitting like that.
What those was made of?
Rubber. Now I can jump this. I saved it just to show y'all. Now, another thing I want to show y'all. Come on, let's go back to the back of the truck.
Say hey, Paulo. Say hello.
Come on, let's go back to the back of the truck. So look, once you get those body bushings out, they're gonna be rusty, real rusty. So you're gonna have to clean them real good. If you have a little, I got a couple different tools you can use. You know, some people might have this, some people might not. So I'm trying to make it as convenient as I can. You know what I'm saying? This is a little diagram. It plugs up in the wall, spin 20,000 RPMs, got 5 different settings. You can cut with it, you can sand with it, but it comes with these little sanding tools and you can swap them out. Open and plugged up. Look, come see. And you can knock all of that old rust out from inside of those old body, the body bush and wash. So see, I got as much off as I can. I didn't use the die grinder. I had used my drill with a wire wheel attachment. Clean it up as good as you can, man. After you do that and you get it real clean, you want to come and you want to spray it with some Rust-Oleum. You don't have to prime it or nothing. You get you some Rust-Oleum semi-gloss protective paint, and you want, after you sand it and get it all clean, you want to spray it down. Spray it down with your Rust-Oleum. Same thing when you raise it up. Once you raise it up, you want to clean that real good with some sandpaper, and you want to spray the top of that with some Rust-Oleum. You don't want that rust to keep eating away right there, because you want this to last long term. So as you can see, all that's been sprayed. You know what I'm saying? Even at the bottom up under. You want that to be sprayed with Rust-Oleum because you don't want no rust buildup to keep occurring over time. You know what I'm saying? Stuff get brittle and start breaking. Then once you do the front, once you put your new body bushing in the front, you ain't gonna tighten it all the way down. You want to have at least that much bolt still left in there. Because when you jack it up, you want a little slack in your body. You want a little flex. So anyway, come on, don't you run, Apollo. You go tighten it down a little bit, drop your truck down, go to the back, jack it up, take it off, clean it, spray it with Rust-Oleum.
Hey,
put it on. Hold on. Put that body bushing on, tighten it down. One at a time. Once you get all 4 of them complete, then you come back and you tighten it down and torque it down. And that's about it. But look, I got some upcoming vids that I'll be doing for you all soon. I got my AC bracket. My AC bracket that I got installed from Quick Performance. We gonna do that. We gonna look at the part, check it out, see if it's good quality stuff or not. I paid a good little penny for it. I also have to build a solid state relay. I'm building it on my own, so that's gonna be a cool video. Been doing a lot of research on that. Decided to go that route, so I'm gonna have y'all tuned in for that. And we got a lot of more work to do to this truck, man. We gotta change door hinges. I still gotta complete my front suspension. Still got parts I gotta change on my front end. So I got a lot of stuff coming for you all, man. Just stay tuned, bear with me. Follow me during this process. And like I say, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all once again for tuning in to Chevy Kings TV, man. This Big Rob, you got Chevy Queen behind you.
Hey.
Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Keep it going. Follow me. I'm out. Happy Mardi Gras.